Y'all, what's going on? As you see, I got part of my peninsula. I can't pronounce it right now, but you know what I mean. Peninsula. There we go, I think. Got part of it in all the way back. Brought it over from here to here is 17 inches. From there is a little bit less, but I can still get through. That's 15 inches. And 17 inches. And then it comes out and starts getting bigger. And this piece right here, just trying to get through without messing my paper up. This piece right here is actually 25 and a 26. I'm gonna do it with one hand and hold my tablet and record. 25 and a half to center. It says 25 and a half to center. 9 inches, I think, right here from outside to outside. 9 1/8 inches. And this right here, the backdrop, I kind of screwed up. When I screwed it up, I forgot to put my piece that goes underneath, and then this right here, so it's actually down on the back of it, so it's actually touching the back instead of being on top of it, which I guess that's okay. That's how all the other ones done. If I raise it up, it only gives me another 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch spacing right there, which really ain't gonna matter to nothing. And then I'm gonna have to try to do this with one hand to show y'all. And first I need to put these boards up. Ooh, box. Alright. Sorry for all this. Just make sure it lines up a little bit. Alright, and we'll get back here and let you see. I got a little bit more on this corner, which is okay. I wanted it, I have a little bit. I didn't really want it to be too close to the edge. That piece right there is about 1.25 inches or so from the edge of the track or road bed to the edge, which I can live with that. But this is basically what it looks like. And then my turnouts, let's see here. Maybe some of y'all know. I think I can turn this thing around, but I think I got to be real careful about it. As you can see, I'm going to line this right here up. Just a rough guess. When it joins together, the turnout, I think I can reverse that to go on that side. I think I just got to be real careful with doing it. If anybody's done this before, just let me know. It's code 100, custom line turnouts. 282 is what they both call for. So if that can be done to the other side, let me know. Or would it be better just to cut it out, make it flush so it'll still do its little turning. And then my number 6 goes there. The switch motor would be past the brace that's right here, which this is sitting on top of it where the two pieces join. And then this right here is right smack in the middle. Misses that one and this one right here, so I don't have anything that's in the way as far as studs going across. And right now I'm sitting on my bench, my little roll around bench in this corner right here, and I got plenty of room. I have to get my vise over there and bend my brackets to certain degrees in order for me to be able to straighten them up. And that's only for the outer edge. Like I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. That's all I had to do it for. And then when I do this piece right here, as you know, I got that little 1.5 inch stud that I'm gonna have to, might not have to worry about that if I have a little gap between it, because my road bed is actually going to be sitting up, like I said, about 2-3 inches off of this bench work. So I might be okay with that, but I had to use a heavy duty vise to bend these things over. There's two pieces, the upper pieces right here, this piece and this piece right here, which this piece right here actually went over here. I'm gonna break them down. I'm gonna make one long one to go from here over to the wall like I did that one over there. And I said these are here just a hair short, but okay, oh well. And just to let you know what I'm doing, I am actually, this is just a rough sketch right now, just kind of boxing off how big everything is, like 4 foot by 13.5 inches, 5 foot by 13.5, 32 by 22, so that's that one, 24 by 15.5. That was this piece that I had to cut back a little bit to get it even with the paper. Give me a little inch or so, 2.5 inch and a half or whatever clearance past the track. And then 32 by 22, and then 56.25 by 24. That's that back one. And then one section here is 4 foot by 25 inches. This corner right here is 25. Comes down to 16 in the middle, and then 9.5 at that end over there. Not 9 inches, but 9.5. 24 inches. Sorry, 25, 19.5, and then 12 inches for here. And took my little bandsaw and I made some degrees, 30-degree cuts. 45, here's another 45, there's a 35-degree cut, then a 5-degree, and then a 10-degree and a 10-degree cut. I think that right there is actually sitting on the 35 for my last cut that I did. And I did these right here, so when I was coming around the corners, because I left my paper on the ground, I came around the corner and did my cut so it would look a little bit better. But other than that, that's about it, y'all. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. And if anybody definitely knows about the flex track right there, that'd be nice. And the other question that I have is the frog. I got 2 screws. I got 2 spots right here. They go all the way through. As you can see, I'm trying to get the white right there so you can see it goes through. Do I bring my wire up here and solder here? Do I solder to this piece right here, which to me that right there looks like it's the track that continues on, but I'm not 100% sure. Or is that part of the frog? If anybody's actually worked with this, that would definitely be nice. I've been asking around, but everybody's just saying go to the frog, but which should be that. But the question is that part of the frog right there on the back? And I think I see my number 4s. It's got the same thing. Do I go to the hole, or do I go to that piece right there? That, to me, that looks like that's part of like a jumper that goes to the, from this track straight on down. Is it from there straight to there? That's what that looks like to me, but I'm not 100% sure. But if anybody knows, that would definitely be great if you can actually help me out and tell me, so I know exactly where I need to solder at. And then I'm going to finish going around doing this right here for the measurements. That way, if anything ever happens, then it makes it easy to come apart. So like I said a minute ago, please like, share, subscribe, please comment. Everything helps. And when I start doing this, I like to get my videos back up to 1.6 million subscribers viewing my videos. That'd be nice. Until then, catch you later.